how to use favorites feed on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use favorites feed on Instagram. So let's start. For your favorites feed, make sure that your Instagram is updated. Then you will have this option. If it's not updated, you can go to your App Store and Google Store, and you can simply go ahead and get your updated version of Instagram right now. So simply open up your Instagram, log into your account, and once you're logged in, then you will find this right here, this option where it's written Instagram. And with Instagram, you have this arrow as well. So simply click on Instagram. And now we have two options. We have following and favorites. So simply go to favorites, and in here we will be able to find all of our favorite accounts. To add a new account, you simply click on add favorites, and now it takes you to your account, to your, like, according to your recent activity. Some of the different accounts will be added, and you can simply go ahead and add new account. So let's go ahead and add a few of the accounts. Let's add this one, maybe this one, and this one as well. Also, if you want to remove an account from your favorites, then what you can do is you can simply click on remove, and that account will be removed from your favorites. Simply click on confirm. Once you're done, you know that okay, these are the accounts that I want in my favorites. So I have all of these, and if I want to add more, I will simply maybe select this one as well. If you want to remove all, you will also find the option here. Now click on confirm favorites, and your favorites feed will be created. Now what you have to do is you will simply refresh your Instagram. Even if we go to favorites right here, and we will refresh our account, and then our favorites will be added right here, and we will be able to see the posts just from our favorite accounts. And this is my favorites feed right here. If I want to switch to my normal feed, I can just go back, and this is my normal feed, and I can go to my favorites anytime, and this way we will be able to see our favorite accounts. We can also search for different people and add them right here, your friends, family members, or maybe accounts that you love. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use favorites feed on Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.